Hello, we are on day 2 of our 12 days of preparedness, and I'm excited today to talk about short-term food storage. Now, you might wonder what is short-term food storage versus just plain old food storage, right? Really what it is it's the food that you're used to buying every single day. And the reason that we need those kinds of foods are, let's talk about a short-term emergency. So it's winter right now. Maybe we have a winter storm, an intense winter storm. It knocks out power lines and we're without power for a few days. What are you going to do for cooking, for heating your food, for feeding your family? Well, short-term foods are those foods, the foods that you're going to eat during that time. It might be cereal and milk, something that you can pull from your fridge. It might be a can of soup that you can actually eat, not heat it up. They're foods that you're familiar with already, so your family doesn't have to feel stressed about eating something that they're not used to. A lot of the long-term foods are foods that we don't eat a lot, those whole grains and whole beans. Some people eat them a lot, but some people don't. And so you don't know how to cook them. You don't know what to do with them. It takes a long time. It takes a lot of preparation, and your family is not used to eating them. So the short-term foods are those things that you would do in a short-term emergency. Perhaps you have a COVID layoff and you're out of work for a month. Well, wouldn't it be wonderful if you had a month's worth of food already stored in your home that your family was used to eating? That's what these kinds of foods are. So I want you to start working on this literally today. Every single time you go to the grocery store, I want you to buy something extra, whether it's just one more can of soup or one more bag of rice or, whatever it might be, one more box of cereal, whatever it might be that you can add to that short-term food storage. And then what you do is you just rotate through that. So you always put the oldest in the front, use that first. And then you always have something behind that you can have for food storage and in case of an emergency. So that's what the second chapter of this book is talking about, is short-term food storage, what it means. And I also have some great charts and things to show you how much should you have on hand. It gives you some suggestions for what you should have on hand and how to get this during a month's time, how to make this fit within your budget. So I am really excited. I'm ramping up for our launch, our book launch on December 30th. We are going to be talking about the book, talking about why I wrote the book, talking about some insider tips and tricks that actually I don't even share in the book. And I'm excited for you all to be joining me for that day. It's all free. Come and join us, and I have some freebies and giveaways and things that'll go along with the book. The book is available already on Amazon in both print and Kindle formats. So get on there, get the book. That way you are ready to hit the ground running January 1st for your 12 months of preparedness. So catch me tomorrow. We're going to be talking about day 3, the third day of preparedness tomorrow, in preparation for our big event on December 30th. Thank you all and have a great day.